Hey Java enthusiasts, welcome back. In today's quick video, we will demystify some common terms that often confuse developers. That is JDK, JRE, JVM and JIT. What are you waiting for? Let's dive right in. Okay, first let's try to understand about JDK. JDK or Java Development Kit is your comprehensive toolbox for development. It includes everything you need, like from the Java interpreter loaded to the compiler, archiver, and document generator. If you are creating a Java application, JDK is your go-to kit. Okay, let's see an example for JDK. Let's say you are building a robust Java application right from the scratch. JDK provides all the tools you need to write, to compile, and package your code. Now, let's talk about JRE. JRE, okay, Java Runtime Environment, it's like a slimmed down version of JDK. If you only want to run a Java program and don't plan on developing, JRE is all you need. See, it includes JVM, class libraries, and essential files for running Java applications. Okay, let's see an example. See, imagine if you want to run a Java-based software on your machine, installing JRE is sufficient to make it run smoothly. Moving on to JVM or Java Virtual Machine. This is where the magic happens. JVM is a part of both JDK and JRE, providing a virtualized execution environment. It takes your Java bytecode and translates it into instructions that your specific hardware can understand. For example, your Java program written in bytecode becomes an adaptable set of instructions that can run seamlessly on various devices thanks to the JVM. Lastly, JIT, just-in-time compiler. Picture this as a performance booster within the JVM. Instead of interpreting the entire bytecode, the JIT compiler kicks in just before the execution, translating portions of it into native machine code. This dynamic optimization enhances the runtime performance of your Java application. For example, imagine you have a performance critical section of code. The JIT compiler optimizes it on the fly, making your application run way much faster. So finally, to sum it up, JDK for development, JRE for running applications, JVM as a virtualized execution environment, and JIT as a dynamic performance enhancer within the JVM. And there you have it, a quick breakdown of the differences between JDK, JRE, JVM and JIT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more similar such content. Until next episode, happy coding!